Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to have reshaders on your Sims 4 installed. So the first thing we need to do is of course head to the Reshade file or Reshade website to download the Reshaders app. Okay, now we're here, just click on download and click now on download Reshade. Whatever the first button over there, just download it. And the next thing we need to do is install it. And now what we need is wait for the Sims 4 to appear. If you can't find it, you can always use the browse button here and find your game manually. Now let's just wait until it finds the game. As you can see, we have found it. Click on next and click on DirectX 9 because DirectX 9 is what Sims 4 is. Sims 4 is a DirectX 9 game. Okay. There's a preset file that you can choose to, if you want, to add. But if you don't really want to add anything, you can always go skip. But let's say I want to add something. That's where we download some Reshade presets. For my case, I'm gonna find here this one, the touch. I like it, so I downloaded it. And then make sure to extract it first because what we need is the ini file. Okay, we have here the .ini file. We have it extracted, and now we need to search for it. Okay, we have it search. Click on next. And these are some effect packages that's like part of the Reshade setup already. You can check all or check off if you want. Okay, now click on next to put it in your game. Now it's gonna be extracting and then installing, and just wait for it. And as you can see, it has successfully installed Reshade. So if you have your Sims 4 open, you need to restart it. And here I am. I have already restarted my game, and you can see the Reshade already appearing on the top of my screen. This is inside my game already, and as you can see, it's gonna take a while it's compiling the files. So let's just skip to the part where it's done. Alright, here I am on my game. And in order to open our Reshade tool, you need to click on home on your keyboard, which is usually number 7. And as you can see, we have here our effects, the Reshade. You just click or uncheck or check or uncheck on any of these, and it should change how it looks. If you wanna fix it to how you really want it to look, you can always head down to the tools down where you can change the values. So as you can see, this aspect ratio here. It's changing. Yeah, that is how you install reshades on your Sims 4. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.